Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox this Amazon Echo. This Amazon Echo is a second generation. I bought this gray one. I don't like really in black. They also have in a wooden case. However, I prefer gray one. So let's see. Let's unbox. You can open the box at the top. As you can see directly the Amazon Echo. Go. Black cardboard and the Amazon Echo in grey. Feels kind of heavy. And okay, here we go. This is it, Amazon Echo second generation. It feels really solid, quite heavy, and some rubber at the bottom and some buttons at the top. Below at the box you have, of course, the adapter for the power source, and we have here, what do we have here? We have three, maybe manuals, we'll see. We have the black one. There's description about the buttons above and how do you connect the Echo, and also how you can change even the cover if you want to. But everything is in Germany because this one is the international model. I bought it here in the Netherlands. Actually everything is in German. Also here says Mach das Licht aus. Spiel top songs. My German is not so really well. However, if you buy in UK or in United States, you have of course the English one. Further, we have the white manual. It's not the manual because it's the warranty. Okay, not interesting. And the blue one, there are some small Alexa skills mention it. Shall I read some? Yeah, why not? For example, this one, Alexa, schalte das Licht aus. Of course, in German. And many more things. But however, the most important is the device. I'm gonna test it. So thank you for watching for today. I'm Rocky of Moi Media. This was the unboxing of the Amazon Echo. Alexa, how are you doing today?
I'm really good.
Alexa, say goodbye.
Goodbye.